Look at these beautiful stainless steel quarter sheet pans I received from Checkered Chef. And they are so nice. They are heavy and also heavy duty too. Very nice. And these are also dishwasher safe. Perfect. And they also are pretty large. These measure 13 inches by 9.5 inches by 1 inch. And it also has rolled design all throughout, and that's to make it more heavy duty so it keeps from warping in the hot oven. They really thought of everything. And I like that you can put these side by side in the oven. And look how nice these are. Let me show you a close-up of what you're going to receive. And here's a close-up of what the quarter sheet pan looks like. And the bottom is rolled throughout all the edges, which is going to help prevent it from warping. And it's very heavy duty, top quality. These are really good quality and perfect for a variety of dishes. Thank you, Checkered Chef, for sending these to me. I know I'm going to use these for many years to come. And thank you everybody for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.